So question number 1 is, which of the following is not a common symptom of depression? Option A, insomnia. Option B, delusions. Option C, poor appetite. Option D, lethargy. So let's understand the question. Which of the following is not a common symptom of depression? Option A, insomnia. Option B, delusions. Option C, poor appetite. And option D, lethargy. So the answer is delusions. Delusions is not a common symptom of depression. So this is our question number 2. An affective disorder in which a person swings from one extreme to another is classified as manic, depressive, unipolar, and bipolar. So the question is about an affective disorder in which a person swings from one extreme to another is classified as, so the correct answer is bipolar. Question number 3 is, an individual cannot remember events during an immediately following serious airplane crash. So option A is dissociative amnesia, dissociative fugue, retrograde amnesia, and fracture amnesia. So question is about cannot remember events during an immediately following serious airplane crash. So the correct answer is dissociative amnesia. Question number 4 is, as E-scores of IE scale shows a general trend upward. Option A, people show more reserved, suspicious, and withdrawal. Option B, assassinations and events like Watergate and Whitney increase the ability for people to openly express themselves. Option D, both A and C. So the question is about E-scores of IE scale. So the correct answer is people show more reserved, suspicious, and withdrawal. So follow my channel and subscribe it. We will share more data related to this.